Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we dive into the best products on the market. Today, we're talking about the Voraiya Electronic Tonsil Stone Remover Kit, which we've deemed the best tonsil cleaner kit you'll find. If you're tired of the discomfort and embarrassment caused by tonsil stones, this is a game changer. Let's explore how this kit can make a difference for you. First up, let's talk about the design. This tonsil stone remover is an electronic vacuum that uses advanced vacuum adsorption technology to quickly and effectively remove tonsil stones. You don't need to go to a dentist for this anymore. You can easily do it at home in a few simple steps, saving you time, money, and the hassle of traditional methods. The kit comes with an impressive 10-in-1 set, offering everything you need for a complete tonsil stone removal experience. This includes 5 different suction modes: weak, gentle, normal, pleasing, and strong, allowing you to tailor the suction intensity based on your comfort level and the size of the stones. Whether you're a first-time user or someone who deals with tougher tonsil stones, this device has got you covered. A standout feature of this remover is the 360-degree rotatable suction probe. This means you can easily access and remove tonsil stones from different angles without straining or awkward positioning. If you've ever tried using manual tools or squeezing the stones out, you know how tricky and uncomfortable it can be. With the Voraiya remover, all you need to do is direct the suction and let it work its magic. Now, let's talk about ease of use. This tonsil stone remover is designed to be user-friendly. The kit includes a magnifying mirror and a dental light, which helps you clearly see your tonsils as you remove the stones. No more fumbling around in the dark. You can get a detailed view of what you're doing, making the entire process smoother and safer. For those who have tried all kinds of methods to get rid of bad breath, this kit is your answer. Tonsil stones are often the culprit behind persistent bad breath, and by removing them with this tool, you can finally kiss bad breath goodbye. The vacuum suction eliminates the stones effectively, helping you breathe easy and feel more confident when talking to others. What makes the Voraiya Tonsil Stone Remover Kit even better is its hygiene-focused design. All the tools, including the suction probes, are washable and reusable, and the kit even comes with a cleaning brush for easy maintenance. This means you don't have to worry about cross-contamination or buying disposable tools every time. The kit is lightweight and easy to handle, making it perfect for both beginners and more experienced users. If you're looking for a simple yet powerful solution for tonsil stone removal, this is it. Plus, with its 12-month warranty and dedicated customer support, you can feel confident about your purchase. In conclusion, if you're tired of dealing with tonsil stones and want a safe, hygienic, and effective solution, the Voraiya Electronic Tonsil Stone Remover Kit is the best choice out there. It combines convenience, efficiency, and comfort in a single kit. You'll enjoy fresh breath, clearer tonsils, and an overall more pleasant experience. That's it for today's review. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more product reviews. See you next time.